Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Well, you'll see this long before Valentine's Day. But I wanted to film a little look for Valentine's, like a, not too dramatic or anything. This is more like a work look. This is my Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette for Valentine's Day. I'm going to put some tape on. My husband's sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. My poor baby. He worked very hard. Dancing. Chair dancing. Remember, I'm very good at that. So I'm going to get my painterly pot out, prime my eyelids. Of course I have to go on the search for brushes now. I'm never prepared with brushes. So I've lowered the ring light and the camera, but I'm still having some problems with things. You'll see that as we start to go through here. Get that painterly all over my eyelid. I'm looking for all the brushes I need, because I'm going to do a halo look, but I'm actually going to use a concealer. Well, I'll use the painterly pot to conceal, to make it more defined. So I'm using the shade Air to go all over my eye. I think this palette just restocked. I think I got an email from Colored Rain. It just restocked. If you guys are interested, it's well worth the money. Find an affiliate code somewhere though. And then I'm going to go in with Princess as a transition shade. It's like a dusty rose. You hear that? Me switching around in my color switch. I really need to clean brushes. Actually, you won't be able to hear it by the time I get done with this voiceover, because I'll take it out. I hear my dishwasher running in the background right now. Sorry. I'm trying to multitask today. When my husband gets up from his nap, I'll go and get my work outfits ready for the week. I try and do that on the weekends, so I'm not fumbling through clothes in the morning. Today I get to pull out 5 outfits. That's not... I haven't done that since before Christmas. So I'm going to go in with Noble Woman on the outer and inner part of the lid. This is a shimmer shade. Can you hear my stomach growling? We're having chili for the Super Bowl. For those of you watching, if I told you I was shipping you a palette and you didn't get it, send me an email. So then I'm going in with Ladyship, which is a matte. I'm going to put that in the crease just to define the crease a little bit more. I'm going back in with the Painterly pot. I probably didn't have to do this again, but really this is probably, I think this is the first time I've ever done it this way. And then we're going to go in with Royal Highness. And that's what I'm going to put in the center part of my eye. Sorry, you can't see. Won't fix this. So now I'm going back in with Ladyship. I'm sorry, I'm going back in with Noble Woman and blurring the lines. And then I'll go back in again with Ladyship. Actually, I think what you see now, I'm sorry, this is Duchess. I really didn't do Duchess at first. I did Ladyship and then I'll go back into it with Duchess. And in a minute, my camera goes kapooey on me. But it's okay. You're going to see the finished look. Just putting a little bit more Royal Highness in there. The struggle is real with this camera. The setup. So I've got you sitting right beside my mirror so we can finish this eye look. I've put foundation on. I'm using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. And then I've used a Givenchy highlighter, like a cream highlighter. Not highlighter, I'm sorry, concealer. And then just my Born This Way bronzer. And I didn't even put any more stuff on my blush brush. I just put my blush brush over my cheeks. And then for highlight, I used the Nicole Guerrero, the ABH Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit with Forever Lit. So I'm putting Crown on the inner part of my eye, and then Ladyship underneath. And then I'm in the center of Ladyship, and I'm gonna go back in with Royal Highness. The whole time I was doing this, I was thinking I was going to wear a red lipstick. You'll see in a minute. I pull a red lipstick out, and I realized that's not what I want. No, this is Marc Jacobs mascara. I didn't put any eyeliner on. Nothing with this look. Not far from natural, but not overdone. I think this is actually what I'll do for my eyes on Valentine's Day at work. With a red sweater. Or maybe a pink sweater. Ooh, I have pink pants. I forgot about them. I'll wear my pink pants. I gotta find a sweater for it. Is that way too much information for you guys? My little Oko's giving herself a manicure in the crate. I know you can hear it. She's driving me crazy. My poor lashes still have glue in them. Downside to wearing fake eyelashes. So see, I think I'm gonna put that red on, and then no. So I'm gonna search in my box for Oko. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna search for like a rose colored. I just happen to have a sample from Makeup Forever that I grab onto. So I've been pre-filming content to upload it like throughout the week, a video a day, and but I'm not sure that's the way you guys like it. If you'd rather me upload all weekend and not upload during the week, then I can do that too. Yeah, I really like that shade. Of course, if you know Makeup Forever, you know that they don't have colors on there, just numbers. Oh, my hair needs to be washed. Look at it, grease ball. You guys should throw me off of YouTube. So that's what the look looks like. Bye. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. One more check. Does it look good? Yeah.